In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design realistic voice in ElevenLabs. Let's dive right in. Start by heading to the ElevenLabs homepage in your browser. Once the page loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar and open the Voices section. This is your main hub for creating, organizing, and managing all of your custom voices, so it's a good place to get familiar with early on. Inside Voices, choose Create Voice. You'll see a few options for how to build a voice. For this tutorial, select Voice Design. This pathway lets you craft a voice from a description rather than from recordings, which is perfect when you're aiming for a lifelike sound without sourcing audio samples. You'll land on a page with a prompt field. Think of the prompt as your creative brief to the model. Type in a clear description of the voice you want. Be specific about tone and personality, like warm and conversational or confident and authoritative. Include vocal traits such as age range, accent, and pacing. For example, mid-30s, neutral American accent, steady pace. You can also mention timbre and articulation, like bright, lightly raspy, crisp enunciation. The more precise and cohesive your description, the more realistic the outcome will feel. Keep it concise, but focus on the details that matter to your use case. Next, choose the kind of voice you want from the available options. This helps guide the system toward the right starting characteristics. Pick the category that best matches your intent, whether that's a narrator style, a casual conversational style, or something more formal. If you're not sure, lean toward the category that fits how the voice will be used in your project. That context often leads to more natural results. Now, open Settings. Here you can fine-tune the behavior of the generated voice. Locate the loudness control and set it to low. Lower loudness preserves headroom and keeps dynamics more natural, which is helpful if you're planning to mix the voice with music or sound effects. It also reduces the risk of the voice sounding compressed or overly forward. You can always revise this setting later if your mix calls for more presence, but starting with low is a safe, realistic baseline. With your prompt chosen voice type and loudness set, click Generate Voice. ElevenLabs will synthesize a sample based on your description and settings. This is where you'll hear how well your prompt translates into performance. Listen for qualities like breathiness, articulation, tone color, and pacing. If the sample aligns with your vision, proceed. If not, revise the wording of your prompt for clarity or adjust your chosen kind of voice before generating again. Small changes in phrasing, such as specifying calm and measured instead of just calm, can meaningfully shift the output toward realism. When you're happy with the result, click Select Voice to lock in this design. You'll be prompted to name it. Choose a name that instantly tells you what it is and where it fits. For example, Friendly Narrator, Warm Neutral or Product Demo, Clear Mid. Consistent naming makes your library far easier to manage later. Next, choose a label and then a value. Think of labels and values as tags you can use to group voices by purpose, audience, or tone. For instance, a label might be use case with a value like tutorial, or tone with a value like empathetic. Pick the combination that will help you and your team quickly find the right voice in future projects. Add a description to capture extra context. Note what the voice is optimized for, any stylistic guidance worth remembering, or the kinds of scripts it pairs well with. A good description prevents guesswork when you return to the voice weeks or months later. Click Save Voice to store your design. Finally, go to My Voices. You'll see your newly created voice in your personal library ready to use across projects. From here, you can keep building a consistent set of voices tailored to different scenarios, which is one of the fastest ways to achieve professional, realistic results at scale. That's it. You've designed a realistic voice in ElevenLabs, set its loudness for natural dynamics, and saved it with clear tags and documentation so it's easy to reuse.